Data protection law and regulation make it illegal to store or share some type of information about people without their knowledge or permission. Some of us are fond of attending functions. You go for a functions, you take a selfie with somebody, or you meet with Sister Immaculate and you are like, sister, let me take a selfie with you. I do agree. Then after that, you go, you put that photo in your WhatsApp status without my permission. That's very wrong. We are not supposed to do that without somebody's permission. Also, it's good to note that this law also seeks to assist a person control the use of their personal data and information by third parties. Otherwise, every John, Dick, and Harry will be using your information and using it anywhere. I want us now to look at the key terminologies that will carry us along as we go about data protection law. There is something we call personal data. What is personal data? Personal data is information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. It could be, if it is me, Sister Immaculate, that data that relates to me, be it my name, my age, my tribe, all that. Then we have what we call sensitive personal data. This is data relating to an individual's race, health status, ethnic origin, belief, biometric, property, marital status, whether single, married, or you are a sister like myself, name of the children, parents, spouse, sex, or sex orientation. This is very sensitive personal data, and when you're handling this, you need to be extra careful with it. We have what we call a data subject. What is data subject? Data subject is an individual to whom personal data relates. For example, an employee, a job applicant, or a customer. And that's what I was saying when we are covering this topic. It covers everybody. You could be an institution, you have children in school, you have teachers and other staff, you have suppliers of goods and services. The data which you store relates to all these people. Then you have somebody called the data controller. So you'll ask me, who is a data controller? A data controller is a person, or can also be an entity, that determines the purpose and the means of processing personal data. Example, a data controller is training with clarity. Yes, that's just an example that I'm giving. Then we have somebody we call a data processor. A data processor is a person or an entity that is appointed by the data controller to process personal data on its behalf. So this person has what we call delegated power from the data controller. So they are called the data processor. So basically their work is to control and process personal data on behalf of the data controller. Then we have somebody we call a data commissioner. The data commissioner is the regulator. This is the person responsible for providing compliance, oversight, she or he is responsible for providing compliance, oversight, and for data protection enforcement. For example, today, if you infringe my rights to data privacy, this is where I launch a claim. I launch it with a data commissioner. He's the person who has the authority now to enforce that.